Hello, my name is Jennifer, and today I have a quick tutorial on the National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health website. After viewing this video, you will be able to identify basics of the resource for a consumer, use and search the A to Z topics list, and assess the efficacy of certain non-mainstream medicine. It provides a lot of wonderful resources for health professionals, including continuing education workshops, lectures, and webinars. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm focusing on the consumer. So, what is complementary and integrative health? According to the NCCIH website, they are a federal agency for scientific research on healthcare systems, practices, and products that are not considered conventional mainstream medicine. Some examples include herbs, natural products, and Chinese medicine. This is a trustworthy resource. They are an organization under the giant National Institute of Health, NIH, umbrella. They provide the positive and negative scientific research behind non-conventional medicine. From their homepage, you will find tabs running along the top of the page. Clicking on the Health Info tab will reveal Topics A to Z. Let's go there now. Topics A to Z is an alphabetical list of common symptoms, diseases, and treatments. This list is very browsable. As you scroll through the list, it's easy to discover common uses for herbs and oils and dietary supplements. A person who suffers from hypothyroidism can search their symptoms such as fatigue, weight gain, weight control, and depression, which are all found in the topic list. Let's explore what NCCIH has on depression. After some statistics about depression and a definition, it briefly states that the conventional treatment is medication, including antidepressants and psychotherapy. It then has a link to the National Institute of Mental Health's website. And now for a more non-conventional solution, an in-depth look at St. John's wort. It is revealed St. John's wort, however, isn't consistently effective for depression. Also, it limits the effectiveness of many prescription medicines. There is also a disclaimer: don't use a complementary health approach to replace conventional care or to postpone seeing a healthcare provider about depression. Of course, there are many alternatives to antidepressants. On the right column, there are articles for consumers. Let's visit the first article. 5 tips: what you should know about the science behind depression and complementary health approaches. Each page is laid out very well. It's not too much information, just the bullet points and highlights of leading research. In this example, they highlight omega-3 fatty acid supplements, St. John's wort, SAMe or inositol, mind and body practices, which have modestly promising results, such as music therapy, and another disclaimer to talk with your healthcare provider. Since music therapy was mentioned as having potentially positive results, I want to explore that more. Hitting the back button once takes us to the original article about depression. At the bottom of the page, we find research results and related fact sheets. One research result caught my eye, titled Music in the Brain, Report on an NIH Kennedy Center Workshop. This page provides a summary in normal language of the article titled NIH Kennedy Center Workshop on Music in the Brain, Finding Harmony, and provides a link at the bottom of the page referencing the article. In conclusion, there are many times in life when medicine may not be the best option for a patient. NCCIH provides alternatives based on science and research.